What up, YouTube, man? We back out here. We just made it back to the house, man. We done left LA. We had a crazy morning, getting a lot of stuff done and going because today is Friday. I wish we could be going live, but we are closer to close than selling out. So make sure y'all get in the win for the Silver Bullet, man. We got that joint right there with the bike right here looking good. We're about to go ahead and get in the garage. Like I said, I just made it back to the house, man. We had a lot going on. We was out on a boat going up, so I had to put everything back. So today, we about to get this stuff going. I gotta move this joint, pull this out. We're about to try to get this thing finished and knocked out today. Then we gotta go ahead and make our checklist of the last things we need to take to the powder coat for this for Monday. So stay tuned for that. This is the Roadglide. We are giving away the 2019 Roadglide powder coated frame with the parts. We got it damn near everything besides the motor. The rims just got done, so those should be in our hands by this weekend, if not next week. So stay tuned for that. This is the bike I was giving away up next that I'm gonna ride and slide for a minute. I honestly want to take it apart to the powder coat shop to get it looking good like that, but kind of like, I don't know, because I didn't know San Diego's next weekend coming up. So I'm trying to see right now, man, because it's like crunch time. I could take it apart and ride it. I mean, I could leave it like this, fix it and ride it, or I can have my look slide with that powder coat looking good. So that's honestly the goal, man. We could be sliding on anything like everybody else, but we honestly try to pull up with the way we love to, with the powder coated frames and whatnot. But it's no biggie, man. I just want to look good riding and sliding. That's it. That's all. But like I said, we about to get in this garage and get going, man. So we got to change of plans. It's hot as hell out here right now. We got the truck in the driveway. We about to wash this thing up. I cleaned it last night at the water when I washed my boat, but I didn't get to really clean it like I want. Armor all the tires, wash the windows. So we're about to do all that right now. We're about to get this thing cleaned up. So this is the Silver Bullet we are giving away, y'all. We got this thing looking good and clean. We're about to clean it up inside. Get all the stuff ready to go. Got a lot of stuff in here, a little bit everywhere. Using the truck for what it's good for, being a truck. But y'all see what's going on, man. Like I said, this thing is about to be out of my driveway and in one of y'all's, man. Literally, we're giving away a truck with the bike, man, for $25. You can enter to win right now in the description below. You already know what to do. Grab your keychain or two. But like I said, we're about to get this thing cleaned up, man. So let's get to it, y'all. We still about to get to the garage, but I want to get this thing cleaned up so we can park it and then pull this out and get everything else on the way, because I want to get this going and washed up today too. So we got a lot to do, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got the truck cleaned up, looking good. good. We got the Armor All up on there. We got a little bit of water, but it's shining. It's definitely looking so much better. We got the windows clean inside and out. This thing is definitely looking good. I'm loving it, man. Hope one of y'all ready to come get this joint, because I got it all cleaned up for you if we do go live tomorrow or tonight. Got it cleaned up for show, man. Yes, sir. Look at that Armor All dripping off that joint. $25 to get you in to win this. Paired together with this bike. All together in one whole combo, man. All you got to do is literally go in the description below and grab you a keychain or two, and you could be sliding just like this in a big truck. Wet up, cleaned up, looking good, man. Because I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it most certainly took a gang of my energy doing this, but you gotta do what you gotta do, man. We got it ready to go, looking good. I cannot wait, man. We are closer than close, I'm telling y'all. But let's get in the garage, man. We got work to do. So we finally got the garage cleaned up the way we need it to be. We had so much stuff everywhere in here. We got our 2015 Roadglide. We got our 2019 we're giving away with the silver bullet truck. We got all the parts out laid out that we have to assemble. We're gonna get all this stuff on the way. And then we got our 2015 right here headed to Sacramento. We're about to get going on this joint right now. So stay tuned. Like I said, clutch line, brake line, and rear ABS sensor on the rear axle. So stay tuned for that. Also got to fix that brake caliper. But besides that, I'm trying to get a first start up today, man. So I got my fingers crossed, man. I hope y'all got faith. I got some faith, man. I think we can do it, y'all. I think we can do it. We got to get that thing tore down for the frame. For the powder coat shop. I need that thing on the way riding and sliding, man. Y'all see what's going on? We are working, getting it in, man. I had changed and showered because I had wasted something on my clothes. But anyway, let me show y'all the problem that I had with the 2015 Roadglide, because I want y'all to understand the problem I had up here. So basically each one of these sides have one of these plugs, and then you got the other plug that go right here to the actual dash. So I could not find it, but I know it's on here. The harness wasn't messed up. So, and I had all this brand new, so I know everything was good. So I just found it tucked in here, over here in the corner. This is the plug that go to the dashboard, and this is the other side plug that we need. So I couldn't see it. I thought it was just these two, but it's over here tucked. So we gotta pull this back through and pull it through. Definitely y'all make mistakes, but I'm cool enough with acknowledging mine so we can learn from it and not do it again. But we're about to get this going and see if we can get this first start up, man. Because I can call Harley and get the code situation figured out. But we're about to get this on the way. So stay tuned. So that's the wrap for this video. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I am so tired and whooped. I literally probably slept for like 2 hours last night from me driving all the way from LA with the boat. Coming here, then I had to move the RV and a boat, switch y'all around 2 in the morning. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. I'm about to take me a break and probably get back to it in a few hours, but y'all stay tuned, man. We about to have this bike on the way and coming. We got a lot done. We got the brake, we got the clutch, and we got the brake right there. We got both of the lines fully on there. We got the wires for this. We got to attach it. It's not long enough, so I got to pull it through, take my time and go through that. And then, oh, shit. Besides that, we got that back axle sensor on there. The powder coat is taking up some space, so I got to clean that up. But like I said, we got everything on the road. We for sure should be having a first startup on this thing tomorrow. This is the one with the built motor, so I can't wait to hear how this thing sounds. But hopefully we get everything going tomorrow so we could be in the Bay Area Sunday. Well, excuse me, Sacramento. But like I said, get in the win to Silver Bullet, y'all. We almost sold out, man. We're trying to get there and go live hopefully this Saturday. So I'm going to upload this video right now. But like I said, man, y'all see what's going on. We working, man.